Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about 5 new features in Photos app after iOS 27. I'm going to explain each and every feature, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So let's start with the first feature, and that is, suppose if you want to capture a particular frame from any video. So I'm playing this video right here, but I want to capture this particular frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video right there. I'm going to tap on three dot option, and there is a new option which says save video frame as photo. As soon as I tap on that, it says saved video frame. If I go back, that particular frame will be saved as photo. So there is no need to take screenshot and crop it and later save it as photos, because this option was not present earlier, but after 27 you get this new option of save video frame as photo. So it works only on videos, obviously. So you can just simply pause the video and select this new option. Now let's talk about next feature, and that is extend and reframe. Now if I select this particular image and if I go to edit option and if I go to tools, earlier only cleanup option was available, but now after iOS 27 we get two more options. One is extend and another one is reframe. So for example, if you want to extend image, this is the actual image, and if I want to extend it, I'm going to select extend, and now you can see there is additional area and it is giving me an option to extend the image. So as soon as I tap on extend, it will take some time and the additional area will be generated using AI. So now you can see this is the new image, and if I tap on the image, this was the original image and this is the extended image. So if you want to save it, you can do that. So let me save it for now. So this is the extended image. Now the next option is reframe. If you want to change the angle or if you want to reframe the photo, you can select reframe option. It will scan the photo, and now it says touch and drag to adjust the perspective. Use two finger to pan, zoom or rotate. You can do that with one finger as well. So I want a lower angle like this, right? Let's skip this particular angle. Now let's tap on reframe option. So now you can see photo has been reframed. If I tap on the image, this was the original image and this is the reframed image. If you want to save it again, just simply tap on done option and it's done. So now we have extended the image and we have also reframed it. Talking about the next feature, that is related to selecting the files. If I tap on select and if I select multiple files like this, now at the bottom you get an option of show selected so and so files. So if I tap on it, all the selected files will be visible over here. So from here, if I want to remove some of the files, I can just remove it. If I want to check out preview, I can tap on this particular icon and then I can check the preview. And once it is done, you can just do the changes. Later on, if you want to share the file or if you want to delete it, you can do that. So yes, there is basic change in the selection feature. Now talking about the next feature, that is again related to video. So if you want subtitle in video, you get this icon over here. You can just simply tap on it and you can turn on the subtitle. So this is how the subtitle will be visible, and the process is automatic. You don't have to do anything else. You can also change the style over here. So if you want classic will be like this, large text will be like this, and if you want to manage style, you can select manage style and you can change the style of subtitle over here. So yes, this subtitle feature was not present earlier, but after 27 you do get it. After iOS 27 you get two new albums in Photos application. So for that you need to go to collection, you need to go down, and in utilities, if you swipe like this, there are two new albums. One is captured by me and other one is identity documents. So in captured by me, basically everything which you have captured like photos and videos will be displayed over here. There won't be any downloaded file or screenshots. There will be only image and videos which you have captured. So yes, this is the dedicated album for photos and videos, and the next album is identity documents. So in that you can check out all your documents you have in your phone. So these are some features which you get in Photos application after iOS 27. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.